Thanks for your interest in this audio presentation on our poster entitled Impact of the ARX Anonymization Tool for Biomedical Data, a review. Data anonymization is a challenging problem, and there are basically two approaches. One, rule-based anonymization, which is for example the basis of HIPAA Safe Harbor, and two, more formal methods, which are for example required under the European General Data Protection Regulation and also permitted in the US under the HIPAA Expert Determination methodology. Implementing formal methods of data anonymization requires a complex interplay of methods for measuring privacy risks, transforming data, and also for making sure that the usefulness of data is not overly impacted. Well-known risk and privacy models include, for example, k-anonymity and differential privacy. To put these approaches into practice, tool support is required, and one such tool is ARX, which we initially presented at AMIA in the year 2014, 7 years ago, and which has been continuously extended and improved since then. Over the course of these 7 years, ARX was downloaded more than 25,000 times, and development is still ongoing, currently under the lead of our group in Berlin. Of course, ARX is not the only tool that is available in the data anonymization space, and if you're interested in a comparison, you might want to take a look at our second paper at the AMIA 2021 Virtual Informatics Summit. Now, what was the aim of the work presented in this poster? Anonymization is often done in the dark, as there is quite a bit of legal uncertainty around it in many parts of the world. As a result, quite few information is publicly available on applications and the impact that different tools actually had in practice. The aim of the work summarized in this poster was to provide an overview of the impact that ARX had in various contexts. To achieve this goal, we searched Google using all reasonable combinations of the terms ARX and the URL of the project's website, as well as anonymization, data, tool, and privacy. Moreover, we searched Google Scholar for all papers citing papers published by the ARX team on the different methods and approaches implemented into the software. In total, we received 389 search results from Google and 435 citations from Google Scholar. We categorized these into 5 different groups: references in reports and guidelines, references in results by international research projects, references in resources for academic research data management, software products, and finally, applications. In the category Reports and Guidelines, we found many references in European documents, for example from the UK, Germany, Poland, and Finland, as well as on the EU level, for example by the European Medicines Agency or the European Network and Information Security Agency. Outside of Europe, ARX is for example referenced in the privacy engineering collaboration space by the National Institute of Standards and Technology and in the de-identification decision-making framework published by the Office of the Australian Information Commissioner. In the category Results by International Research Projects, we found deliverables from more than 50 different projects funded under the Horizon 2020 framework program. In the context of academic research data management, we found websites from universities all over the world, including Johns Hopkins, as well as universities in Canada, Germany, and Finland. One important property of ARX is its industry-friendly Apache 2 license. We hence found a range of commercial products that integrate ARX to implement data anonymization functionalities. Finally, we were also able to identify applications of ARX for anonymizing data from cancer registries, learning behavioral studies, and on COVID-19. 2 of these datasets are available as open data on the Internet. From the information compiled as part of this work, we conclude that ARX is recognized on an international level, ranging from the academic sector to public authorities and commercial entities. We were able to identify applications for sharing data in protected settings as well as for sharing data publicly on the Internet. We believe that there are 3 important factors that have contributed to ARX's success. First, there is only a limited choice of tools for data anonymization, which we believe has to do with the complexity involved in building such software. Moreover, ARX supports a wide range of anonymization techniques. Finally, the software has a comprehensive graphical user interface that makes it easy to gain at least initial experience. The latter feature is also the reason why ARX is often used in workshops and training courses. Thank you very much for your attention.